Everybody, what's up everybody? This is me again, Maho, and today we're testing the ISY keyboard. This is one of the best budget keyboards on the market right now, and I bought it to test it for you guys. So this is the keyboard. It's on the back it's made out of plastic. It has like these flippy thingies. These things. You could like flip them to like give your keyboard a tilt. And yeah, this is one of the, as I said, this is one of the best keyboards on the market right now. But is it actually good? So first, for the sound test, let me show you a sound test if you can hear it. Wait. That was the sound test, and the LEDs I can't show right now because I lost the cable. Yeah, I think I threw the cable like away, and that's why that was it for the video. I really hope you liked the video, and write down in the comments if you would like me to like do some more videos and like have like testing better keyboards, because right now I just only have this keyboard which I bought for testing, and I'm gonna use it in the future in the gaming videos or in live streams. You're gonna see me use it. So make sure to stay tuned on this channel, because there will be lots more videos in future. And yeah, that was it.